Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Yadav, English teacher of Signet Public School, New Nari. I hope you all are fit and fine. Student, I want to ask you one question. What is tense? Tense, it means it shows time of action. Actually, there are three types of tense: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense shows present time or the present action. Past tense shows past time or the past action. Future tense shows future time or the action which will happen in the future. So today we are going to learn very interesting topic, that is different forms of present tense. Actually, there are two forms of present tense: simple present tense and present continuous tense. So, why do we use the present tense? We live in the present, so we describe event in a present. It can be fact, it habit, sometime that happens regularly, or it is our habit. So let's see the example of simple present tense. I like mango. I like mango. This is a present fact. So student, see here, I is the pronoun, like is the verb, and the mango. So like, everyone like the mango, that's why it is a present fact. Second example, Arman is a good football player. So here we use present tense because nowadays he is one of football player. So the football player, it shows the present fact. When we talked about present fact, our regular habit, regular action, and universal truth, that time we can say it is an present tense. Actually, it is an simple present tense. See the another example. Ravi goes to school every day. Ravi goes to school every day. Here, Ravi is the subject, which is the name of boy. Goes, which is a simple present tense verb. Because of that, something that happens regularly, it's his regular habit. So student, now we will see how to use the simple present tense, its formation and its rule. So see the structure: subject plus verb plus object. So subject, which is pronoun, noun, or the name of person, place, animal, thing. Verb, it can be root verb or the base form of verb, or the sometime it come with s or es. So see one example here. I like chocolate. Here I is the subject, like is the verb, and the chocolate. But keep in your mind here student, I, it is an singular pronoun, singular subject, that's why we use base form of verb like. See the another example. She plays football. Here she is the third person singular. So we have to use s with the play, or we have to add s with the play. See the more example. Mother cooks breakfast every morning. Mother cooks breakfast every morning. Look at here and observe. Here mother, which is singular noun. Okay, mother is the singular noun. That's why we have to add s with the base form of verb cook. Okay? The second example, Ranji washes the dishes every night. What's the example? Ranji washes the dishes every night. So this is the structure and rules of the simple present tense. So what we have learned about the simple present tense? The first one, the structure of simple present tense is subject plus root verb, or we have to add s or es with the verb and the object. Student, look at here. Observe this video. Already we have learned the simple present tense shows universal truth, fact and things which are always true. So the first of all example of universal truth is the sun rises in the east. Water boils when it heated. Teachers teaches and students learn. Other example about daily habit, that they eat lunch. Okay, so all these are the example of simple present tense. Let's move towards the next point, next tense, present continuous tense. First of all, we will see the example. Okay, I am eating. Here, I is the subject, am is the verb which is helping verb, and it is the action verb. We have to use here ing to the action verb. Students, see here, this is in present tense but action is continuing. In present continuous tense, describe action as the happen in present with continuity. Means what you have understand here? In present continuous tense, action which is going on. So the another example, the dance teacher is teaching step in class. The dance teacher is teaching step in the class. Here action is continuing which is happen in present. Here first come dance teacher, then come verb or the helping verb is. So what's the structure? The first comes dance teacher which is subject, then is am are which is an helping verb. So here come the helping verb is. The dance teacher is teaching step in the class. Here the first come subject dance teacher, then comes the verb helping verb is am are. So here the is the helping verb, and then comes ing with the verb teach, and last object. So what's the structure of present continuous tense? Subject plus helping verb plus verb with ing plus object. So let's see the more example of present continuous tense. See here the video. Teachers are sanitizing the students. So here teachers is the subject, are is the helping verb, and sanitizing is the verb with ing, and last come the object, the students. Other example are principal ma'am welcoming students. See the another example. Our teachers are escorting the student. Students are learning in the classroom. Other example, all are following COVID-19 terms and norms. Teachers are teaching in the classroom. So all these are the example of the present continuous tense. I hope you understand this topic very well and you have got the clear idea about how to use the simple present tense and present continuous tense in your daily conversation. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.